Hello. I This bike buddy had the steering pointing inward, so I don't like it in, so I took the steering head apart to put it back to original. And when I did, the discovered that the bearings were a little rusty, and the spot where the bearings run is rusty on the center shaft. And I had two new cones. New. These aren't bad, but uh, anyway, I had one good shaft. So anyway, I just got through putting in the new bearings and the new shaft, or the good shaft that has like chrome where the bearings run, and I grabbed hold of the fork tubes until I had very almost next to no play, and just kept tightening this like lock nut. Then I tightened that, and then tightened this, and then I put my black handlebars on and took off the more modern blue one with the brace. These aren't Can-Am, and they're only like $70, and they're an inch shorter than Can-Am. Those are 2 inches shorter. But anyway, these they look more right, and they're a little bit this thing here will tighten up. But anyway, this is hello. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Kitty, 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 kitty. Meow. I'll be right with you. So anyway, of course I polished. This has like brand new nuts on top. You can't even see where a wrench touched them on both sides. Like absolutely perfect. So I'll polish them. But anyway, I polished both of these triple clamps. And I actually polished, let me see, I polished this one first and took the rusty shaft off, which came right off. Not too bad, just very carefully with the screwdriver in the slot and a couple whacks with that rubber hammer, and it came right out. But the shaft that I have that was good would not, it would not go in that. It was a couple thousandths of an inch or whatever. It was too tight. It dragged. It was even too tight going over like the the spot where the chrome bushing is, like where the bearing runs. So when it got down to the slightly thicker part, it curled the metal a little bit. There was no way it was going, and I didn't want to heat it up, and I didn't want to drive the screwdriver in any harder. So I took it out, and this other uh, triple clamp that I have, it slid right in past all the bearings, and I just had to put the screwdriver in lightly, like in here, of course, in this part. A couple taps, and then a couple whacks with the rubber hammer, and the shaft went right up in. You can see it right here. There's a snap ring on the bottom of this. This goes up. Let me see. Yeah, it goes up through. It doesn't go down through. So there's no way this bottom triple clamp can come off. But anyway, I kind of getting it back together. The front brake cable is totally seized, so I'll put another. I got a few cables, so I'll put another cable on it. And before I put the wheel back on, I'll polish these things up. These I don't know. They're in real good shape. They're kind of sanded like new seals, or they're just like new rubbers, new seals. I didn't have to do it, or they're brand new or something. But the bottoms are a little corroded, so they've been around. But anyway, I'll polish them up. But anyway, well, anyway, that brings us up to kind of date. I still got to pull this on. It's squishy on the end. I'll have to work at that for a while. But we'll say hello to the cat. And, oh, there he is over here. Oh, kitty, kitty. Hello. Whoop. Well, well, that's all for now anyway. Good night.